Hello, my name is Tom Kraft, and I'm here to speak to you today about AP Psychology. I'm one of the teachers at Heritage High School that teaches this course, and just wanted to give you a little bit of information about it for you today. Psychology is the study of behavior and mental processes of human beings and other animals. We are going to be, throughout our semester, talking about different psychological facts and principles and psychological phenomena. We'll talk about some of the disciplines and the subfields within psychology. It is a semester-long social studies elective for AP credit, and students can earn college credit depending upon how they do on the AP exam for their college of choice for an introductory psychology course at that university. Who should take AP Psychology? We have a couple of different things, knowing that it is an AP elective, that students can achieve college credit for the course, but we feel like students should have an interest in the subject and should have an interest in the study of why people behave and they think that the way they do, including themselves. Students should also be really motivated to read. There's a lot of reading in this course to study and challenge themselves academically. In class, students should feel ready to discuss in class, especially ideas and things from their lives that could add to the material. We work a lot in groups, and we need to get them to write FRQ prompts, which is the essay for writing for the AP exam. Students are also expected to study for and to take the AP exam in May. This is the course of study that we'll be going through in an AP class, in AP Psychology. And I'll just go through a couple of the different units real quick. The percentages are there for the percentage that's on the AP exam. So for example, Unit 2 is biological basis of behavior. And in this unit, we're going to talk about a lot of different things from the biological reasons why people believe the things that they do and why they act the way that they do, including things like neurons, neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, brain functions and dysfunctions, like what happens when a particular part of the brain is damaged. Um, we'll also be getting into, skip ahead to Unit 4, that is the learning unit. And on the learning unit, we'll be talking about learning through observation, classical conditioning principles, learning through rewards and punishment, and what's called operant conditioning. In Unit 5 with cognitive psychology, we'll be getting into things like memory, why people remember things, why they forget things. We'll get into theories of intelligence and critical thinking, things like that within cognitive psychology. Unit 6, developmental psychology. We'll look at theories of cognitive development from infancy to childhood to adolescence to late adulthood, and how there are very unique things that happen in one's lifespan. Moving ahead to Unit 8, clinical psychology, we'll be talking about different psychological disorders and the treatment and therapy methods that are associated with those disorders. And then finally, finishing things up in Unit 9, we're talking about how things outside of us can impact people's behaviors and thoughts with how we behave and think in groups, first impressions and conformity and obedience and altruistic behavior. If you are interested in learning a little bit more about this subject, I encourage you to go to College Board and just look up AP Psychology. I have a link at the bottom of the screen for you to research the course even more. If you have any questions, my email is right there. I'm just one of the instructors for psychology, and please feel free to ask any questions. And I hope to see your students in psychology in the future. Thank you very much.